You might think that storms or earthquakes top the list of the deadliest natural disasters. You may be right, but don't you know that floods too belong to the same level of threat? Floods are considered as one of the deadliest, most destructive, and most ignored forms of natural disasters humankind has ever experienced. The Philippines, which is located along the typhoon belt in the Pacific, gets visited by an average of 25 typhoons every year. Widespread flooding and inundation of properties are few of the common problems Filipinos experience every year. Flash floods can affect everyone, just like Mrs. Gloria Chua, a businesswoman and a homeowner from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines, who experienced flood damages on her properties due to Typhoon Lando.
Parang flash flood talaga yung dumarating na pumasok na hanggang sa compound. Tapos, pero yung damage na ano, yung makapal yung putik, isang buwan namin nililinis yun. Yung putik siguro ang kapal, siguro di mo alam po 6 inches, hindi lang. Pagkatapos nun, wala pang tubig. Ang hirap ngayon na linisin yon.
Her eagerness to find a solution made her search online and found the German technology Flood Solution Systems of Flood Control Asia RS.
Noon na may nakita ko sa dyaryo, ibang brand. Tinry kong tawagan. Tapos nag-search pa ako ng iba. Meron palang yung sa inyo, yung Flood Control Asia na German technology, European brand. Siguro mas quality yun. Kaya yun ang kinontak namin pinili.
Mrs. Chua's visit to the Flood Control Asia RS production site allowed her to witness the actual demonstration of the German quality flood barriers that made her choose Flood Control Asia RS.
Gusto ko kasi pagkakausap, may physical store siya, yung titingnan ko yung product.
Mrs. Chua entrusted the future of her property and loved ones against flooding using the RS demountable flood barriers. RS demountable flood barriers go through rigorous product testing to ensure that every flood barrier conforms with strict standards. Tests are conducted by FM Global prior to the issuance of quality inspection certificate and accreditation. FM Global is a leading insurance company based in the United States, specializing in loss prevention services, primarily to large companies worldwide. One of these tests is for leakage. FM Global standards have been surpassed by RS demountable barriers by exhibiting less than the allowable 1 liter per hour leak. Another is the impact resistance test. RS demountable barriers were able to withstand the 40 kilogram woodblock impact resistance testing, that is equal to 10 times the power of a horse kick. Mrs. Gloria Chua is one of the many satisfied customers of Flood Control Asia RS Corporation.